That's the way. Good evening, this is Rick from Betty and Nick's. It's Thursday, November 11th, Veterans Day. And we have Alan in here with a nice bass. Alan, how big's that fish?
31 inches and 10 pounds.
And where'd you get him?
Right off Island Beach.
Very good. And you were using bait, you said, correct?
Yes, sir.
What was it, clams or bunker?
Clams.
Good. It's still a little rough, but fishable, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so the guys that if they take the effort to come down, we still got plenty of fish.
Yes, you do.
All right, thanks for bringing it in. That's going to eat real well. This is Rick from Betty and Nick's. Rock and roll.